Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams in summer vacation. First, let's set up a SMART plan. Begin by creating a flexible study schedule that fits your summer activities. Break down your exam material into smaller, manageable sections. This approach makes the task less daunting and helps you track your progress effectively. Remember to set realistic daily and weekly goals to stay motivated. Next, let's dive into some SMART study methods. Instead of just rereading notes, actively recall information to strengthen your memory. Try using flashcards or practice questions to test yourself on key concepts. A great technique is to explain difficult topics aloud to a friend or even to yourself. This truly solidifies your understanding and helps you identify gaps. Maintaining your focus and well-being is crucial during your summer study period. Remember to take short, regular breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Incorporate some physical activity into your daily routine. Even a 20-minute walk can make a difference. And of course, ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Finally, consistent review and practice are key to exam success. Make sure to regularly revisit material you've already covered to reinforce your learning. Complete practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. This helps you manage your time effectively and identify any weak areas that need extra attention before your exams.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.